What's up guys, Joey here,
And Miguel of YugaTech.
and it's time for another Ask YugaTech.
So you know how this thing goes. Follow us on social media and watch out for that hashtag AskYugaTech post for the month and comment or reply your question, and we will get to answering it here in our very own episode of Ask YugaTech.
First things first, congratulations to our Deep Power Music Party Box giveaway winner, Miguel Haveloza.
Congratulations.
And yeah, let's just jump into it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, our first question is from Don Ray Relucio. Sino ang pinaka-best na tech review site or blog para sa inyo? Bukod sa inyo.
Yeah, well, sa international madami yan eh, pero so let's just stick to local. We have unbox.ph, Gadget Match, GizGuide, YP Geeks. Woo! Review. There's a lot. Jam Online.
I like review. So basically everybody else.
Basically we're all friends. Links.
Okay.
Links. Okay, next question is from Margaret Rigid Concepcion Villasi. Villasin? Villasi. What's the best storage for movies and pictures for a long time? I'm afraid to use cloud storage or any kind of storage using online because of the chances of getting hacked and paying a certain amount. While buying an external passport drive has a chance of being corrupted. Any suggestions I can take? Well, the only way your cloud storage would be hacked is if you're not careful, I guess. So, strong password, two-factor authentication, you should be fine. But if you're looking into physical media, kahit anong hard drive, whether it's external, like in a WD My Passport, like she's saying, or if it's the hard drive in your laptop or computer, they all have a chance of getting corrupted either way. So, the way I look at it in terms of an external hard drive, if that's what you're looking for, physical damage is actually worse than having your files corrupted via software. So if you're gonna invest in an external hard drive for storing your movies and pictures and other personal files, I would suggest not going for a WD My Passport. I'd suggest going for something more rugged, like a hard drive with a
shockproof ring?
With a shockproof casing.
Like from Transcend?
Like should I get mine?
What is yours?
It's Transcend. Alright, so this is my external hard drive. It's a 1TB Transcend StoreJet. It's rugged. I mean, I've been using this thing for like 3-4 years already, and it's totally fine. It has a military grade shockproof protection. So yeah, corruption via software can happen to any hard drive, but physical damage is what you're looking out for. So I would suggest going for something like this.
What about SSDs?
SSDs also. So portable SSDs are getting a lot cheaper nowadays.
But still pricey.
Still pricey, but SSDs do not have moving parts. So you can also do that to an SSD, it's gonna be fine. Next question from Ralph Rap David. Reasons to get the P30 over the P30 Pro. You can watch my review video right there. I'll tell you exactly why it's worthwhile to get the P30 over the P30 Pro. I mean, the P30 Pro is still good.
The P30 Pro is the Pro model with Huawei. That's the super juiced up version of the P30.
Yeah.
And if that's what you want, fine, go ahead. But if
this time the standard one, the non-pro model, is kind of underrated in my opinion.
Next question from Charmaine Olores. Bakit puro K-pop music videos pinapakita sa video kapag nagre-review po kayo ng phones? Ha 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 ha. Well,
why not? Next question from Christian Obra Operio. Hi YugaTech, I'm a member of Electric Kick Scooter Philippines. Have you tried using an e-scooter? If yes, how was it? If not yet, I recommend you to do so. Here are some of my groupmates' scooters.
Here's that photo. And
yes, we do have an e-scooter. It's from 9bot. Yeah, it's amazing. We use this sometimes when we need to buy something from 7-Eleven. Not sponsored by 7-Eleven. Scoot! Scoot, 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 scoot! Scoot!
Next question from Kian Nolasco. What do you think is the most important features that should be in every smartphone today?
Well, aside from the flagship level is still the top. You still have the best features there. But nowadays, even in the mid-range and to some extent the entry level, your performance and your camera quality is already really good. So what are you left with? It's important to have, at any price point, it's important to have one, I think, good battery life. So 4,000 or almost 4,000 milliamp hour batteries are getting more and more common nowadays, and chipsets are getting more and more efficient. So we have that solved. Then you have design. The goal is across flagship down to the entry level. Of course, everyone wants to have Type-C.
Yeah.
Everyone wants a higher IP rating for water and dust resistance. People want headphone jacks. Some people want headphone jacks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wireless charging.
Yeah.
Yeah, next display. Now, we're already starting to see AMOLED displays go down to the mid-range level. And, you know, in the flagship level, things are getting crazy.
Yeah.
This phone over here,
But
the S10, best display right now.
yep. Look at this case though.
So yeah, definitely all the usual aspects of smartphones are important to have. So it's performance, cameras, battery, display, design. But since the first two, which are performance and cameras, are getting more ubiquitous, I mean, they're getting it's getting better across all the levels, even at the entry level. So the most important thing for no matter what level of phone you're getting is battery, design, and display.
So our next question is from LJ.
What's up, LJ?
What are the apps that you guys use when editing your reviews and videos? Thank you.
Yeah, we use Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects. Some people also use Final Cut Pro 10.
Yeah.
And
For graphics.
Photoshop, Illustrator. Yeah.
Oh, and for like product shots for like the articles, we also edit on Lightroom too. Yeah, so yeah.
So from Basti Arcega, should phones with a price of more than 10,000 pesos have a Type-C port? I mean, if you're paying more than 10,000, that could be anywhere from 10,000 to 50,000 pesos. So he didn't specify, so let's just assume that he's talking about like entry to mid-range.
Yeah.
I think yes, because I mean, I don't know, I've been using Type-C for the longest time. I was an early adopter and I love Type-C, but I just think it's a lot better than micro USB, no matter what price point you're at.
Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know why it's taking so long. Type-C. Okay, so why do we love Type-C so much? What's the hype all about? Just imagine all devices across the board use a Type-C port for charging. Then like
that's how it was before.
For micro USB.
For micro USB.
Yeah, but then you never get it wrong.
No, but the thing is, in the past, no matter what Android phone you had, it was always micro USB. So now that there's a new standard, which is Type-C, of course, it's important to have it as a standard for Android phones, no matter, or even hopefully iPhones in the future.
Just you wait.
Yeah.
Just you wait. iPhones, your headphones, your smartphones, your Android smartphones, they're all Type-C. Your damn laptops charge Type-C. Like, don't you want that? One cable to rule them all.
Yeah, I don't know. Type-C probably isn't perfect.
Yeah.
But if there was just one cable type for all phones until forever, imagine the amount of e-waste would be reduced. Imagine being able to borrow a charger from literally anybody.
And it'll be fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
And like any other device, Type-C, then
Yeah, so we went above and beyond answering your question. We answered your question in like 2 seconds, and we went rambling on.
Cause like Type C, man.
Okay.
So that was our last question for this episode. If you guys are interested in asking us more questions, you can comment that in the comment section below. Or you can always watch out for that post on all our social medias across the board for each new month. And you can comment your questions there. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more content. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. And be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews.
Again, this has been Miguel
And Joey.
of YugaTech, and we'll see you in the next one.
Goodbye.